Welcome children to yet another episode of Physics Helpline. Before we start, let me tell you आज थोड़ा गला खराब है, बट आज का टॉपिक ऐसा है कि मुझे लगता है मेरा गला और आवाज दोनों वापस आएंगी. आज हम आपके फेवरेट एक्शन हीरो विद्युत जम्वाल का भी मेंशन करेंगे. द टॉपिक ऑफ द डे इज एनर्जी. Right? We already finished with work, so today we are going to discuss all the details of energy. Now, what is energy? Simple definition, it's capacity to do work or ability to do work. तो हमें पता चल गया है एनर्जी और वर्क ये दोनों जोड़ी है. इट्स लाइक अ पेयर ऑफ टॉम एंड जेरी. जैसे टॉम जहां है वहां जेरी का होना जरूरी है. इट्स लाइक वर्क एनर्जी, इट्स अ पेयर. इट्स लाइक मोटू एंड पतलू. आर यू गेटिंग मी? It's like, you know, are you clear? So work and energy both are related with each other. So it's ability to do work. It's a simple definition. We'll write ability to do work or capacity to do work. Right. Now it's not always. अभी जो एनर्जी होता है that will tell you कि how capable you are of doing work, okay, or how much capacity you have to finish that work. तो बहुत बार ऐसा भी होता है कि ये जो एनर्जी आपके अंदर है या किसी मशीन के अंदर है, किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के अंदर है, किसी डिवाइस के अंदर है, that might be seen externally और दैट कैन बी लेटेंट और हिडन इनसाइड. राइट? तो हमें बाहर से पता ही नहीं चलेगा. जैसे आपने एक प्रैंक जरूर देखा होगा विद्युत जम्वाल का, व्हेन ही इज एंटरिंग इन अ जिम with a 60 years old baba's makeup, right? And it's like, you know, he is bending and walking, and suddenly he open up all his, you know, muscles and dole shole, and he show off his energy, okay, or his ability. So it's like with certain energies which you cannot see because those are sometimes latent or hidden. It's not always you can guess the energy by looking at the machine or the object, right? So दो basic, there are multiple forms of energy. अभी जो energy यूनिवर्स में है ये कैसे काम करता है? जो energy यूनिवर्स के अंदर ये कैसे काम करता है? राइट? हमें तो वर्क करना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ एनर्जी. तो दिस एनर्जीज कीप चेंजिंग देयर फॉर्म फ्रॉम वन फॉर्म इनटू अनदर. आर यू गेटिंग मी? फॉर एग्जांपल, एट आवर हाउस वी यूज इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी टू ग्राइंड सर्टन से मसाला और स्पाइसेस, okay, with the help of that mixer or grinder. तो electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. Okay, we also know, we might have learned in earlier classes कि जो वाटर के अंदर हाइडल एनर्जी या हाइडल एनर्जी है उसका यूज करके हम इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी पैदा करते हैं. आर यू गेटिंग मी? केमिकल एनर्जी दैट इज पेट्रोल एंड डीजल यूज करके हम व्हीकल्स को मूव करते हैं. सो केमिकल एनर्जी कन्वर्टेड इनटू मैकेनिकल एनर्जी. तो एनर्जी कीप चेंजिंग इट्स फॉर्म फ्रॉम वन इनटू अनदर एंड वी गेट वर्क आउट ऑफ इट. It is like that. In 9th standard, we have special types of energies. We are going to learn, that is mechanical energy. What we are going to learn? Mechanical energy. And there are two types of mechanical energy. We all know. We are going to learn them in details. That's kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. And the other one is potential energy. दोनों के नाम में उसका definition है. This is energy acquired on account of its motion, and this is energy acquired on account of its position or say height, or you can even say shape, right? So these are basic two types of mechanical energy we are going to learn in 9th standard, that is kinetic energy and potential energy. Now we'll work upon ये रियल लाइफ में ये एनर्जी और कैसे एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. हमें थर्मल एनर्जी पता है, इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी पता है, मैग्नेटिक एनर्जी पता है, ओके, हाइडल एनर्जी, ओशन थर्मल एनर्जी, जियोथर्मल एनर्जी. बट ये एनर्जी कहाँ और कैसे हमें दिखेगी, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न इजीली. Now kinetic energy, I'll tell you. I have a bullet in my hand. If I throw the bullet which we keep inside a pistol, अगर मैं किसी wall के ऊपर वो bullet को फेंकता हूँ, what is the impact created by the bullet? Might be it create a slight, a sign on that wall. But the same bullet, if it is fired with pistol, then I'm sure it is going to create a big, distraction in the wall. तो ये जो डिस्ट्रैक्शन है दैट इज क्रिएटेड बिकॉज ऑफ ट्रेमेंडस एनर्जी possessed by the bullet because of its higher velocities, right? तो ये जब velocity आती है, मोशन आती है, तो एनर्जी possessed earlier when we threw with the near hand, kinetic energy associated with bullet was very less. But जब same bullet पिस्टल के थ्रू चली गई, it has a tremendous kinetic energy and that has created a greater impact or a greater work, we can say. So today this is what kinetic energy. It is energy acquired on account of its motion. कोई भी object, whichever object is in motion will have kinetic energy. If you are stored water in a dam, it won't have kinetic energy. But if same water is released from the dam, it is going to have what your kinetic energy. तो ये kinetic energy जो stored water है उसमें kinetic energy नहीं है, तो कौन सा energy था? तो ये वाला energy था, that is potential energy, because that energy is acquired on account of its height. Normally we construct the dam at a certain height, right? That height produces potential within water and that energy remains in a hidden form, right? जब भी आप उस water को release करोगे, that is going to show its power, it is going to show its ability, it is going to show its capacity. तो ये potential energy या latent energy है, दिखेगा नहीं आपको बाहर से, but होगा जरूर. दिखता नहीं है but होता जरूर है. That can be due to position, height or shape. For example, अगर आपने कभी किसी स्प्रिंग को स्ट्रेच किया होगा, राइट, और रबर बैंड को आप स्ट्रेच करते हो, इट्स लाइक आई हैव अ रबर बैंड, इट्स शेप इज नॉर्मल, इट इज नॉट स्ट्रेच, बट व्हेन आई अप्लाई फोर्स ऑन इट, इट गेट्स स्ट्रेच्ड. नाउ अ हिडन एनर्जी दैट इज पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ड्यू टू इट्स शेप इज डेवलप्ड. ये मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा? जैसे मैं छोड़ता हूँ, इट गेट्स रिस्टोर्ड इट्स ओरिजिनल पोजीशन. तो मुझे पता चल रहा है बिकॉज जो वर्क मैंने इसको स्ट्रेच करने में लगा दिया, दैट वर्क गेट स्टोर्ड एज इट्स पोटेंशियल, बट ये दिखता नहीं है, राइट? मैं जितना ज्यादा स्ट्रेच करूंगा उतना ज्यादा वेलोसिटी से या मोशन से मूव करता है. किसी भी स्प्रिंग को आप दबाते हो तो वो उछलता है. That is hidden energy, potential energy. So children, today we shall discuss the mathematical form of these energies. बहुत ज़्यादा सिंपल है. Kinetic energy की जब हम बात करेंगे, okay, energy has a relation with work, तो हम बात करेंगे, right? Now what is work? Work is equal to force into displacement. Force into displacement. Now what is force? Mass into acceleration. Second law, displacement as it is. Now we already know kinematical equation. We know second equation, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So we can have the expression for a over here, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. So I think v square minus u square, I'll put a bracket. 2s will come here, 2s will be acceleration. This I can use here. W m as it is. A we have replaced from here, that is what your v square minus u square whole upon 2s multiplied by s. S can be cancelled out, is equal to half will come outside, this half, this m and this v square minus u square. अगर हम इसको थोड़ा सा अरेंज करते हैं, थोड़ा सा वर्क इसके ऊपर करते हैं, तो we get a beautiful form of kinetic energy like this, and the form is this is what, and this work is stored as an energy, and which energy? It's a kinetic energy. So we understand kinetic energy EK or K if you wish to keep it as is equal to half m into v square minus u square. आप समझ सकते हो, this is initial velocity, this is final velocity, this is mass of the object. In most of the case, if the object initially is at rest, then kinetic energy will have a fantastic formula, that's half m v square, or else we have these two formula for kinetic energy, right? So keep in mind, we got it, kinetic energy formula we received. Potential energy तो उससे भी simple है, because what happens in potential energy, we raise the object or we raise the particular body. Okay, so the work done is equal to force into displacement. Supposing we have object which was kept at a ground, okay, at ground पे है, and we raised it to a height h. अभी हम यहाँ पे लेके आए, तो इसको ऊपर उठाने के लिए जो वर्क हम कर रहे हैं, okay, that work is only the potential energy stored in the ball. तो ये कितना रहेगा? फोर्स. फोर्स की जगह पे हम फोर्स लिख देते हैं. What is the distance? h. Now let's replace the value of what your force. इसको ma लिख सकते हैं into h. But ये acceleration, since the motion is in air, so this acceleration will be acceleration due to gravity. And we got the formula. कितना simple formula है? Potential energy mgh है, mgh है, और kinetic energy क्या है अपना? half m v square minus u square. When you look at the formula, it's pretty clear that kinetic energy will always have this term, that's velocity, right? Potential energy will have this term, that's height, position, distance or displacement, right? So we are done with the mechanical energies which we are studying. एक लास्ट चीज है, kinetic energy directly proportional to the mass, and kinetic energy is directly proportional to the square of the velocity. If mass is doubled, energy is doubled, but velocity is doubled, energy will become 4 times. Whereas potential energy directly proportional to the mass, this is the constant, so is not, and proportional to the height. तो जितना ऊपर आप किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को उठाओगे, उतना ज्यादा पोटेंशियल एनर्जी उसमें क्या हो जाएगा? क्रिएट हो जाएगा. So this is how we understand about the various types of energies.